It's important to learn the basics on how to properly handle a fish, especially when catch and release fishing, so that the fish returns to the water healthy. Today I'm going to show you the basics on how to handle and manipulate the fish properly. First thing to note is to keep them wet. Having a net is so important because it allows you to keep the fish wet longer. If you plan to keep your catch, measure the fish quickly and put it back in the water immediately if it is not of legal size. 2, get your hands wet before touching the fish. Fish have a slime layer that is critical to their overall health. When you touch a fish with dry hands, it can remove this slime layer. All it takes is dipping your hands in the water before touching the fish. 3, watch out for some sharp zones on the fish. Some fish, like trout, are gentle and easy to handle, but others have some sharp features on their bodies. Behind the gill plate is a common area where you could get cut. The dorsal fins and anal fins on some fish contain sharp spines, and some fish have sharp teeth, which you will of course want to avoid. A great way to avoid the sharp dorsal fins is to take your wet hand, start at the head of the fish, and gently push the fins back and down. If the fish doesn't have teeth, you can hold their mouth with your thumb. For fish like largemouth bass or smallmouth bass, they will have some roughness in their mouth. It's nothing that will injure you, but you may have a slightly rougher thumb after handling them. And always be sure to support the body of the fish. For larger fish or longer fights, it's important to revive the fish before releasing them back into the water. A good rule of thumb is to face them into the current and hold them until you feel the fish start to kick away. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the Take Me Fishing YouTube channel, and for more helpful fishing tips, visit takemefishing.org.